How to activate Dropshipping Center on AliExpress. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can do that. So let's just get right in. In order to activate the Dropshipping Center on AliExpress, you're first going to have to make sure that you have an account on AliExpress. So open up the app and log into your account if you haven't already. But you are not going to be using the app to activate the Dropshipping Center. You will have to open up your web browser and then search for ds.aliexpress.com. Go ahead and enter this URL. And if this is your first time, you'll be asked to log into your AliExpress account. Now, once you have logged in, you're going to have to agree to the terms and conditions. The first time you access it, you may be prompted to agree to the dropshipping service agreement. And once you accept the agreement, tap on continue and confirm the activation. So what you'll do is you'll see tools like product research, hot selling, and supplier info and other analysis tools as well. You can also automate your dropshipping, like connecting your AliExpress account to tools like DSers or Obrello or AutoDS. So if you don't see the dropshipping center, you can try to access it directly on a desktop browser as well. And you can use the dropshipping center to analyze product performance, compare prices, and find the trending products. The tool is completely free for AliExpress users. So that's how you basically activate the dropshipping center on AliExpress. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.